ansan ye pound minister mini ni share or Peace FM ama ye onya position ye man message kra omfi. I mean, these are the people that I just don't know what to do.
Sa issue ekuta political shirt bi ana I was say your rosa shirt no to ho ana say where is it coming from?
Say the underlining factor no sika no.
Okay. The sika na ebebem no ebekodi obi botom no, that's the underlining factor no.
Because my team company na me company ne yase me meti se nwura mfiri beti omu mfa nko adwo so a say ye tua me ka me ne me yire ne me ma ne yakwa gudi
anka ni papa nanka sanitation yes department wo ho anase waste department ankasa wo ho na waste manager na be kire oh beto omu for kra no omu waste omu generate human waste liquid waste this volume of waste ebia omu wo adweso nso nipa dodo say omu wo ebia afijasi nipa dodo say na say ekono physical anase wo friend say non organic waste ebia magazine for ebia adam for ana zongo no moye na ye mam plan
eno ano no easy as koliko ti said ye chi koliko but yo mo compare obi oye funadaka ni waste ni enua obi a osiesie fridge ube ko no ato fridge na ebia ha ne na esisisi ho obi san say ne saade na wabo ano de yeden ubeko obi a osie free TV be 300 na esisi wo we dey display or the day child waste ni nyina no e was etimi dispose of that waste omo fitafo uko fitafo wa
that's right that's right
fitafo mu change oil na mu waste no mu dey fa he because omu yi engine oil waste no mu dey fa he Toko toba oye waste toba waste no de fine ozo papa bi beti sadi koye mpreku whatever it is and I say the gubolem ni nyina no somebody must educate the person no nche ni dia onye eno ne yefe ne say wo ye waste management
open you say yeda se papa yeda se pa da je ne mre ene wadwe nche ne wadwe mpokese a wode achene na no before ba na ebehia wa wadaroma ye besan ba biom ne abeto amfo so
amen
yera